Hello everyone, I am Dr. Lavanya, consultant endocrinologist from Aswini Endocrine Center, Guntur. World Diabetes Day is done on the occasion of November 14th. So as we all know, type 2 diabetes mellitus and type 1 diabetes mellitus are increasing in prevalence worldwide. So they are achieving the epidemic proportions and it is established as a global health problem. So in India also, at present around 77 million people are suffering from diabetes mellitus. This number is estimated to double by the year of 2045. Diabetes mellitus itself is a chronic systemic disease which leads to increased disability and severe complications like diabetic retinopathy, nephropathy, neuropathy, and macrovascular complications like MI and cerebrovascular accidents. Diabetes in India comes with many shades and many grades. The Indian youth, which contributes to about 65% of the population, is at increased risk of diabetes mellitus both because of genetic inheritance and also because of the sedentary lifestyle and also increased stress levels. So in youth, Indian youth, the diabetes mellitus itself can lead to severe disease and also associated with increased complications. So keeping diabetes in control is key for slowing the progression of these complications. So to avoid complications related to diabetes mellitus, each one of you has to stay on track and avoid complications related to this diabetes. So the World Diabetes Day, let us take a pledge to maintain diabetes discipline and avoid complications. So to maintain the diabetes at control, so we should keep our health on track. So what is track? So take your medications as prescribed by your doctor and do not miss your medication. Reach and maintain a healthy weight by setting a goal to increase the physical activity, eating healthy and avoiding unhealthy foods. Add physical activity to your daily routines, at least 30 to 45 minutes. Moderate intensity activity should be done at least 5 days in a week. Outdoor activity should be done like brisk walk, jogging or cycling or swimming. Control your ABCs, that is HbA1c should be under target, that is less than 7%. Blood pressure should be kept in minimal levels and also cholesterol should be at a target levels. Kick the unhealthy habits like alcohol intake and smoking. So also good hygiene helps you to keep healthy. So in this COVID pandemic, maintain social hygiene, that is wear masks in crowded places, maintain 2 feet distance at least, and also wash your hands regularly and before meals also. So whenever you are in a public place, that is gatherings like marriage and all those, we should avoid contact with people who are having cough or mild flu-like symptoms, and also consult your doctor at early stages of any flu-like symptoms like cough, fever, cold, and difficulty in breathing. So let us be on track and maintain diabetes discipline. Wish you a happy, healthy life. Thank you.